What's up? Today I'm bringing you guys another Birchbox subscription unboxing. My name is Brandon with Style So Dapper, and if you're interested in men's fashion and style, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button because I'm putting out new videos every week. So Birchbox Man, if you don't know what this is a monthly subscription box, and every month they send you things like face wash, beard oils, face lotions, and other various items like that. There's a Birchbox women's version, and then there's a Birchbox Man. It costs $10 a month, and every month they send you sample items that are face lotions, shaving creams, beard oils, all that stuff. And occasionally you might get like a doll bag or a beard brush or something along those lines. What you do is you go to the website and you fill out a quick profile and a survey where they ask you questions on what you're interested in, and then they curate a box and they send it to you every month. I'm a big fan of the Birchbox just because you get to try out all these different companies and these different products without going out to the store and spending a lot of money on the full thing, the full size, when you might not even like it. This way you get to try out different items and see what you like. And you can go to the website and tell them what you like and what you don't like, so they don't send you that stuff or that type of stuff again, or they send you the same thing. So it's cool like that. So without further ado, let's switch the camera around and open this bad boy up and see what we got. All right, so here we go. Usually they send you two different boxes. There'll be another box inside of this box, I guess to keep it from breaking. But let's get this open and see what we got. They really do protect us all this, don't they? Jesus. There we go, Birchbox. Ta-da! They always send you a card like this. There we go, 201 Grooming Tip, Volume 18, Issue 11. And they send you some good info on, fall staples, happy hour, things like that. And then this is the list of everything they send you. You see the full size, it's $25. And this is everything that comes in the box. So first thing I see here, oh, Hims. If you guys are on Instagram or Facebook, I know you've heard of this company. And I know Snoop Dogg has done a commercial for this company. They pretty much sell Rogaine and Viagra and a multivitamin supplement. So that's cool, get to try them out. What else we got? Oh, here we go, another one. A dietary supplement for sleep. And it feels like they're gummies, both of them. Feels like they're gummies. So that's cool. Always wanting to try them out. What else we got here? Okay, I know this company, Ursa Major Face Tonic. Not really sure what that is, but we'll look at the card and see what that is. Here we go. We got charcoal face wash. Not a fan of this stuff, but if you're into that, you get stuff like this too. And last item, here we go. Beard Control, Billy Jealousy. So I guess this is a beard oil, I'm assuming. I might try that out since I'm trying to get my beard like his. Anyways, well, that's it, guys. $10, and this is what you get. What, four to 5 items? And that's it, guys. Birchbox Man. So as you guys can see, you get some pretty different and decent items in those boxes. And you guys should definitely check it out if you're interested in trying new men's grooming products. So anyways, that's it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.